based on our onset of rainy season monitoring. So we try to establish yung criteria for the declaration of onset of rainy season. Firstly, we try to monitor around 14 stations in the Philippines. So 14, so in around 17, actually 17 siya. So to represent Metro Manila, it is represented by 3 stations. Pero ang bilang niya lang, at least masatisfy yung criteria ng 2 stations out of 3 that represents Metro Manila. So it will be counted as 1. So we try to monitor around 17 stations in areas situated along the western section of Luzon. So yung mga tinatawag na type 1 climate or with distinct wet and dry season. So at least 7 out of these stations or 50% of that station should reach yung established criteria ng around 25 millimeters of rain for 5 consecutive days. So we call it pentad days. So dun sa 5 consecutive days na yon, kailangan may 3 consecutive days without zero rainfall. So with a total of 25 millimeters of rain. And then that's the time na kapag na-satisfy yung established criteria natin ng 50% of that station, we will declare the onset of rainy season. And we also try to monitor yung wind component natin. So kailangan meron siyang westerly component. So yung westerly component, so ito yung nagbibigay sa atin ng hudyat na magkakaroon ng mga southwesterly wind flow that eventually coincided with the southwest monsoon season. So yung declaration natin ng rainy season should be associated with the southwest monsoon.